I've had a parcel delivered today. HelloFresh parcel. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, it's a food delivery service that you pay every week or few days, and they send you food and recipes. So it takes the hassle out of cooking. Now, I only bought it because they have an offer on, of course. I think it was 60% off, something like that. So I thought I might as well get the first offer, have a few days of food being somewhat prepared. But yeah, let's see what's in the box. So, I'm gonna get a knife out. There's the HelloFresh dinner is sold. Let me just turn the light on. Oh, it's a bit. Okay, we can turn it off because of the camera. I guess the certain lights don't go well with the camera, so let's keep it. Okay, can open the box. Let's just bend that. Okay, we're actually in. Okay, what have we got here? We have some recipes. So these are the recipes that I chose. We have creamy, well, who knows how to say that? Gochujang, spinach and ricotta ravioli. Let's have some pasta. We have aubergine parmigiana style pasta. Korean inspired bulgogi tofu rice bowl. The old Thai green style chicken curry. So I did think I ordered everything vegetarian, but apparently not. I'm not a vegetarian, I'm just rarely cook with meat, to be honest. And speedy veggie beanie stew. Okay, so that's the recipes. We have just a welcome leaflet. We have some vouchers for friends. They haven't used it. Maybe my housemates haven't done it. Oh my god, oh, look what's in here. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so we have, so I got, every meal is for 4 people, even though it's just me. I thought, if I'm gonna do it, I'll just get the most, max it out, and anything that I can't eat, I can just put it in the freezer. So what is this? 4 people, number 18. I'm assuming so the numbers match the numbers here. So for example, this says 18 there, and it matches the 18 here. So this is the creamy spinach ricotta. Oh my god, this is heavy. This is really heavy. 22. To the 22, it's going to be the Korean tofu rice bowl. It's really heavy. I have no idea what's in that. This is an insane amount, if I'm being honest. Okay, put these over here. This is 42. Number 15 for 4. I mean, I probably shouldn't have got it for 4 people. Maybe I'll cook for my housemates tonight. Okay, that is number 19. So I guess we'll find out what that is. So, what is this? I have no idea what that is. So we have a magazine. Tony's chocolate. If you haven't tried Tony's chocolate, you should. Chocolate bitty balls. And just a food magazine, it seems. Okay. Okay. Now what we have left is this bag. So I'm going to take this out and show you. Okay. So if we have a look in here, we have stuff like mushrooms. We have some mozzarella cheese, some tofu, the ravioli, I'm assuming, the spinach and ricotta ravioli. Ooh, so when you order on your first order, or I think if you order monthly, you get a free dessert. So this is cheesecake. I don't know what flavour. Zillionaire flavour? What is that? I'm not quite sure. I'm sure I will enjoy that though. What else do we have in here? Grated hard style Italian cheese. Just bags of wort like ice to keep it cool. Quite a lot of that. Seems a bit excessive. Okay. What else we got? Well, we have the chicken thigh that's diced. Doesn't look overly appealing. That's okay. And what is this? The chicken breast diced. I thought I only ordered one chicken thing, but apparently I may have ordered two. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, the Korean tofu, no, because it's tofu, but it also says, don't know if you can see that, chicken. Wow. Some sour cream, some garlic, more cheese, mature cheddar little cheese. There's one thing that's missing here, and that's a lot of vegetables. Maybe they're in here. Okay, let's open one of these bags. So let me decide what I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook something now. What do I want? Okay, I'm gonna cook the speedy veggie beanie stew. Hopefully it can be frozen. That's why I kind of got these. But okay, so that is number 19. So let's open number 19. Okay, so this one's the quite heavy one. So let's have a look. This is the spinach, chopped tomatoes, another chopped tomato, 1 green pepper, 2 green peppers, some sort of, so Worcestershire sauce. Hard word to say that is. We have some Cajun spice mix, some mixed beans, more Cajun spice mix, some vegetable stock, paste this is, okay. Some rice, more mixed beans, more rice, and some more veggie paste. Okay, so I guess in these bags, and that's not like that's another delivery. In this bag, and in this bag, and the other, this one, and this one will have more vegetables and all the fresh stuff. So okay, I'm now going to start cooking. I kind of would like to record it because I think that'd be kind of cool, but I don't have a tripod for this camera, and I think that'd be a little bit awkward. And I think I need maybe 2 cameras to record me cooking. I'm assuming, I'm pretty sure you'll see that at some other point in the future. But okay, yeah, that was a HelloFresh 5-day 4-person box just for me. I'm now going to start preparing to cook and going to be listening to Dreaming Spanish to get some of that comprehensible input in me. And I will probably cook dinner for my housemates tonight, because this is a little bit insane and it cost me basically £24, maybe £25. And I think normally it might cost 60. I'm not quite sure, which, I don't know, for people who are busy and, you know, got kids and everything like that, like, it's not too bad, really. If it's just, I think part of cooking is the effort it takes just mentally to figure out what to cook, but having to buy all the ingredients, just can take a lot out of people, I think, especially people with kids and full-time jobs and all this other stuff going on. So not too bad. Probably, yeah, a little bit out of my price range, but yeah. Anyway, oh, you've disappeared. Okay. Anyway, I will, yeah, see you soon. Bye.